Welcome back, students. This session is regarding the equation of a circle. This will be helpful for us to write down the equation of circle using the coordinates of the center and the value of the radius is given to us. Let us consider a circle with the center at A and B, and there is a variable point P on the boundary of circle anywhere whose coordinates are x and y. The distance between the center and the boundaries, we know that this is equal to the radius of the circle. Let us utilize this to write the general equation of circle by finding the distance OP using the distance formula. We know the distance formula is x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square. This is equal to the radius and taking the square root. Now removing the square root, we will be able to reach this place taking square on this side and on this side. X minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square equals to r square. This is the general equation of a circle, where a and b are the center coordinates as mentioned over there and r is the radius. So by comparing with this general equation of circle, we are able to write down the coordinates of the center, radius and the equation of circle as required in the question. For example, here is an example given to us in which the center and the radius is mentioned to us, and we are asked to write down the equation of circle. By comparing it over here, by placing the values of a and b, here is a 5 and b is minus 2, x minus 5 square plus y plus 2 whole square equals to the radius square. Taking square of 4, this will take us to 16. The opposite version of this is there, that if we are given the equation of the circle, how do we write the value of the coordinates of the center and the radius? For example, 2 into x minus 3 whole square plus 2 into y plus 4 whole square, and this is equals to, let's say, 32. We know that in the general equation of circle there is no number along with these two. So let's divide everywhere by 2. So we will be reaching over here x minus 3 square plus y plus 4 square, which is equals to 16, and x minus 3 square plus y plus 4 square, which is equals to 4 square. Now if you compare this equation with this equation, we see that the center coordinates are a and b, where a is 3, b is minus 4 and the radius value is 4. This is the second way. When equation is given, we can find the radius and the center. When center and radius are given, we can write the equation. Let's see another example in which nothing of them is given. We have to find out the radius, we have to find out the center as well. Let's see this example in which the question says that there are 2 points on the boundary of the circle mentioned. When we join both of them, they make the diameter of the circle. If we draw the circle, let us say one point A is there, one point B is there. When we join them, they make the diameter. Now the coordinates of point A are minus 6 and 8, and the coordinates of B are 2 and minus 4. Now to find the center, we can see, since this is the diameter, so the center will be lying right in the middle. So the coordinates of center, which are x and y right now, which are unknown, we can find by using the midpoint formula. So C will be having minus 6 plus 2 over 2 and 8 minus 4 over 2, which will give us minus 4 divided by 2 is minus 2 and 4 divided by 2 is 2. Now we have reached the place where we have the center with minus 2 and plus 2. The second thing we require for the equation of circle is the radius, and we can see that for finding the radius we can find the distance CB, we can find the distance CA, we can find the distance AB and divide it by 2 by either of the method. Let's find the distance CB, which is square root of distance formula minus 2 square plus 2 plus 4 square, which gives us minus 4 square and 6 square, and this will take us to square root 52 after the simplification, which is actually the radius of the circle. Now we have both the values with us, the center and the radius. So placing it in the general equation, x plus 2 square y minus 2 square equals to square root 52 square. So we will be able to reach x plus 2 square y minus 2 square is equals to 52. This is the equation required to us. So we can see, students, with this session, I hope you will be able to write down the equation of the circle with the given center and the radius. You will be able to find the center and the radius with the given equation of circle, or any other condition like the diameter or the 3 points mentioned to you on the boundary of the circle. Thank you.